Hi everyone, welcome back to my video, and today's video is all about my favorite cleansers, and those are the such cleansers which are repurchased several times by me and I swear by them. Today I'm going to show you all of them in this video so you get to know what cleanser works for what. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, this is the cleanser I swear by. I have combination to sensitive skin which breaks out quite easily, and it reacts to anything and everything I can say. And this product, this is La Roche-Posay Effaclar face wash. La Roche-Posay was available in Indian market in 2016-17, and at that time I used this, and after that I sourced them online from international website, or whenever someone is traveling to international destinations. I have purchased this last year during my international travel, so I'm just using it very sparingly because it's already half a tube. And I love this product because it doesn't have much of the active ingredients, but there is something about this which works really well on my acne. It reduces the acne and it calms my skin down as well. Another product for acne is this face wash. This is Kaya Skin Clinique's acne free purifying cleanser. It has salicylic acid to it, and it is mentioned that it's for oily to combination skin. I'm not sure what percentage of salicylic acid is there in this product, but I love this product as much as I love this one because they both work quite similarly. I'm sure you guys must have heard about this purifying cleanser a lot from many people because it's really good for acne prone skin. It helps to exfoliate your skin because salicylic acid is a BHA which penetrates deep into your skin and helps get rid of extra dead skin cells, and along with that it also helps in controlling sebum production on your skin. So yeah, another cleanser with mild actives in it is this one. This is Glam Veda's AHA BHA face wash. I love this face wash because first of all it has no surfactant to it. Both of this product has a surfactant to it, with but they are quite mild, so it actually helps to clean the skin without stripping it off quite a lot. This product, on the other hand, it's a AHA BHA blend foaming face wash. It comes in this kind of a foam releasing pump, and the consistency is quite watery, as you can see, and you can make out that I have used almost half of the bottle. So this is a really good product to control your blemishes. As you guys can see, I have a little bit of blemishes over here, there and there. So I have a few acne scars, and this really helps with that because it has AHA to it, and AHA works quite well on blemishes more than the salicylic acid. For me, because salicylic acid is quite harsh for me sometimes, so I don't use it quite often. I use it usually at night times, and that too like once or twice in a week. And while using this one, I use this 2 to 3 times a week, and it is a wash off treatment. So what I usually like to do is I apply this face wash on my skin. I let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes like a mask, and then I rinse it off of my skin, and my skin feels the difference of it. this product has a really clean ingredients as well, so I really like this product, and I have used like 2 to 3 bottles of it already, and as soon as I am about to finish this, I'll be repurchasing it soon. Now the best part, these three cleansers, these three cleansers are always in my stash as a nighttime face wash or evening face washes. But whenever I'm washing my face in the morning, I make sure that I use the mildest cleanser on my skin, because I don't want to strip my skin in the morning itself, because during the night whatever I have applied on my skin, it sinks in my skin, and I just want to just splash some water, and I can let my day start, but still I want some clean feel to my skin, so I use the face wash. And the very best face wash is this one. This is a CeraVe hydrating cleanser. It's really good for morning face wash. It has been raved about since years, I can say, and the hype is real, guys. It's really good for your skin. You won't feel that you are washing your face with a stripping cleanser. You will feel that you are just washing off a gel. You are rubbing the gel on your face and you are washing it off, and it also balances the pH of your skin, so it doesn't strip your skin and doesn't disrupt the pH of your skin as well. And another face wash is this one. This is an Indian brand. This is Rustic Art, a wild rose face wash. As you guys can see, even this one I'm more than halfway through. It's a blend of oils in a face wash, and it doesn't have any kind of surfactants to it. It leathers up quite a tiny bit of it, just a little bit of a leathering it gives, because of the, I guess because of potassium hydroxide it has. Only that is the pure kind of a chemical name you can say this product contains, and it's really good product. It's a blend of oils which works really well for my skin. I don't feel my skin is stripping. I don't feel my skin is producing excess oil after using this product, or this product as well. So both of these products I prefer in the morning. I use this even at nights when I don't need any actives on my skin. So these 5 face washes are really good for your skin, and that's what my experience has been with this product. So if you want to purchase any of this, or if you want to communicate anything about this product, so please leave a comment on my video and let me know your thoughts, and let me know your favorite face washes as well in the comment section below. And if you want to share this face wash details with your friends or family members, then share it with them and hit that subscribe button as well. It costs nothing. So yeah, see you in my next one. Bye.